trial. I don't remember. I think it was during the preliminary, sorry, the pre-trial or so. And one of the important things you have said is that they seem to have been kept aside from the other. No, I understand. That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying that is one of what you have said. Now, the reason is because they are not in the same circumstance. All right. And I also did say that because we are conducting a military court martial, not a regular court, I did say that I will not venture too far into the security arrangements. I think I remember saying that. Now, that will not change. Okay, hold on. Now, if by the assessment of the military, they have the way to regulate visits, you have to come maybe properly before the court on that, probably not before this court. Okay, because like I said, this is a court martial, so I cannot put rules from the regular court into this court martial. Okay? I note your point of visit or whatever, but I will still leave it within the assessment of the security apparatus for them to take that decision. I said to you that you would have to seek what you want in the appropriate forum. Okay? I mean, I'm saying this court martial is bound by rules that I will have to stick with. Court martial has a duty, okay, to uphold the traditional regimentation of the armed forces. That is also in the law. Okay, and you have to read what. Hold on, you have to also understand what. Hold on. In this court, we are here to do a court martial, and it's the Armed Forces Act says we should uphold the regimentation. Is you have to find out. So I think for those aspects of the I will not be able to do what you want me to do. As in give orders, allow them, they have to do their assessment. Okay. Right. Is it the court that should give you that reason to know why? Is it the court that should give an order for that?
The point I am seeking to make is that you are here as a Victoria advocate because of the laws. You are here to implement the laws, including the Constitution. And when you look at Section 16 of the Constitution...
Prosecution, can we proceed? Hold on. Yes, sir.
There are no much complaints, even though he's still feeling slight pains, my lord. My lord, this in the view, or to our view as defense counsel representing the 6th accused person, my lord, because I even had cause.
Mr. Bangura, what do you want at this stage? What do you want exactly?
Well, my lord, I'm just giving you some conclusion
to what you want now, please.
So, my lord, we are kindly
Pause, Mr. Bangura. You want the medical doctor, the medical practitioner, to give you the medical report of the 6th accused, as in you counsel.
Yes. Well, the court...
You know why the court?
Well, supposing whether we have used public applications for which we will not have the constraints to go out there again to press treatment and report.
All right. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Please turn off that mic. Okay. I mean, I'm explaining my ruling to you. So, okay. medical records attract privacy laws. Okay? You're not talking about anything. You're talking about the medical records of a patient that a doctor has done. And you are saying what the sixth accused told you, the illness he complained to you as counsel, a lawyer, is different from what the doctor said. That's what I understand. Hold on. What he complained to, he says, for example, my head is aching. And probably the doctor goes and says, no, it's not his head that is aching, he has malaria. You are saying, no, he's wrong. So all I am saying, hold on. All I am saying, I don't have that authority order to the doctor to say, give Bangura medical records of Private Smalley. Okay? So I am saying there is the confidential issues related to patient and doctor conversation. Like you have lawyer and client conversation, all right? Since you have not addressed those, it's not for me to give that kind of order. Okay? That is the reason why I will not grant that order. Do you understand my ruling? Okay? Now, you want me to tell them to give you the medical records of a patient. On which grounds?
The owner of administering treatment after examination of the interview is not from the defense. The prosecution.
What I know about is a doctor exchanging medical records to another doctor. So I'm not going to tell you more than what I have said. If you think you have reason to believe, for example, that a wrong diagnosis has been done, then you have to do more. It's not to come to me to give an order to a medical doctor, give him the report. No. Because there are laws guiding the privacy between him and his doctor. Okay? Long and short is, I'm just, like I said, I'm explaining the ruling. That application cannot be granted by this court. Okay?
Given the fact that the secretary who happens to be
is that application is not granted. All right? I have ruled on those issues. We proceed with PW 17.
All other witnesses in this case, you please wait out of court. Whether no second for talk and not okay, either for the prosecution or for the defense, please go not for the time being.
Christian or Muslim?
Muslim, sir.
Take the Quran. Repeat after me. I,
Auslav 1839, Bangura Usman Thompson.
Swear by Almighty Allah.
Swear by Almighty Allah.
That the evidence.
That the evidence.
Which I shall give.
Which I shall give.
Before this court martial.
Before this court martial.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing.
And nothing.
But the truth.
But the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sworn on the Quran, my Lord.
My Lord, which I believe, I wish to proceed.
Bangura Oti Usman Thompson.
Mr. Bangura.
Yes, my Lord.
Do you recall this court on the 6th, 2024?
Yes, my Lord.
Do you also recall testifying before this court that you were required to do an investigation involving the 4th accused, the 7th accused, the 8th accused, the 9th accused, the 19th accused, and the 2nd accused?
Yes, my Lord.
Now, Sergeant Bangura.
Yes, my Lord.
During your testimony,
You testified before this court with regard statement you obtained from Sergeant Mohammed Kamara,
Yes, my Lord.
and that statement is now before this court as exhibit AAF 1 to 7. During your testimony, you told that the was suspended. Did you have any cause to recommence that interview or the investigation?
Yes, my Lord.
The entire investigation regarding Sergeant Kamara.
7th accused.
Accused number 7.
7.
7th accused, my lord. Can you please tell this court when did you recommence the investigation?
Yes, my Lord.
Please tell this court.
My Lord, on the 5th of December.
So can I say you recommenced the investigation of December?
Yes, my Lord.
Can you please tell this court how did you go about it?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, like I said, on the 5th of December 2023, when we started the record of interview in respect of the 7th accused, Arslav 1816-9620, Sergeant Kamara M. On that day, my Lord, we started the record of interview.
Slowly, Sergeant Bangura.
Yes, my Lord. We started the record of interview, and as the interview progresses, we have to suspend the interview for further inquiries.
Why did you have to suspend the interview?
My Lord, like I said, we suspended the interview for further inquiries.
Okay. Please continue.
On the 5th, about 1100 hours on the 5th of December 2023, myself, together with Arslav 1816-7311, W2 CC,
Slowly.
W2 CC, also of JPU, together with Detective Inspector F.S. Musa, Detective Police Constable 17799, Tabia RS, Detective Police Constable 17799, Tabia RS, and Detective Police Constable 15041, Colonel M. Colonel M. All of the Criminal Investigation Department, CID, Freetown. That before we resume the record of interview in respect of the 7th accused, I have to caution him again.
Please.
On that very day, when we resume the record of interview in respect of the 7th accused, I question the 7th accused that he is not obliged to say anything, unless he wishes to do so. And that whatever he says will be taken down in writing and maybe given in evidence. I do also inform him of his rights to a legal representation.
Slowly.
Yes, my lord. I do also inform the seventh accused of his rights to a legal representation. Provided by the ASLAF legal departments. And that I also offer him the chances to hire a private legal representation, but at his own expense. And again, I asked him if he was aware that the record of interview, when we suspended it, he responded yes. And that I informed him we are now going to recommence that very record of interview, which he acknowledged, agreed, and voluntarily willing to respond to that record of interview. Thereafter, my lord, we continue the record of interview by asking him questions, and we expect him to supply answers to those questions. And at the end of the interview, I read the entire record of interview to the seventh accused, Sergeant Camara M, in English, and explained same to him in Creole, which he admitted to be true and correct. By affixing his right hand thumbprints on the bottom left of each page. Myself signed as the recorder, whilst Detective Police Constable 15041 Honor M signed as the witness.
Sergeant Bangla,
Yes, my lord.
if you see this record of interview, will you be able to recognize it?
Yes, my lord.
My Lord, with your leave, I wish to show the record of interview to both the defense and the witness. Sergeant Bangura,
Yes, my lord.
please take a close look at that document.
Yes, my lord.
Is that the record of interview you conducted?
Yes, my lord.
Is it signed?
Yes, my lord.
by all parties
Yes, my Lord.
and dated.
Yes, my Lord.
Do you wish the court to see it?
Yes, my Lord.
And also to hear?
Yes, my Lord.
My Lord, produce and tender.
My Lord, AAG 1 to 19, my Lord. AAG 1 to 19, dated 3rd December 2022. 4th December 2022.
Just take a moment, right? My Lord, my understanding is that all of those statements were served on the defense. They were all included in the court bundle. It's a surprise to hear that that one is missing in his court bundle. Sergeant Bangbura,
Yes, my Lord.
please take a close look at those two documents you have.
Yes, my Lord.
Are those documents the record of interview and the additional statement
Yes, my Lord.
signed and dated?
Yes, my Lord.
Do you wish this court to see those documents and to hear them?
Yes, my Lord.
My Lord, produce and tendered.
My Lord, it's marked AAM 1 to 6. Yes, my Lord, I think it's. My Lord, yes. The one with the 6 pages, is it record of interview or additional?
Both.
Both?
Yes.
The one is. There are two. One is 6 pages, and this one is 12 pages. Which one should come first, sir? This one, the 6 pages.
The original statement was the last one. The 6 pages.
6 pages.
Yeah,
is
the 6
additional
pages.
one. Well, my Lord, this one, which is. My Lord, yes, my Lord. The record of interview is marked AAM 1 to 12. Yes, my Lord. And it's dated 21st December 2023. 29th December.
29th.
29th December 2023.
Correct.
My Lord, it's AAM 1 to 6. The first one is marked AAM 1 to 12, and the second AAM 1 to 6. Yes, sir. First is AAM 1 to 12, the second AAM 1 to 6.